Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set up HBO Max on your Google TV step by step so you can start streaming your favorite HBO series and movies right away. First, make sure your Google TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Step 1. From the home screen, scroll down and select Apps. This is where you can browse and search for new applications. Step 2. Select the Search for Apps option and type HBO Max using the on-screen keyboard or use voice search with your remote. Step 3. From the search results, select the HBO Max app to open its details page. Here you can view the app description, screenshots, and user ratings. Step 4. Click on Install to download and install HBO Max on your Google TV. Wait a few moments while the app downloads. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen or go to Your Apps to open the HBO Max app. Step 6. Launch the app and sign in using your HBO Max account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one or start a subscription. Step 7. After signing in, you can browse HBO Max's library, including series, movies, and exclusive content. Use the remote to navigate through categories, search for your favorite shows, and enjoy high-quality streaming. Now you're ready to watch HBO Max on your Google TV anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step streaming and tech guides.